A festive atmosphere as over 700 Chinese wine traders descended upon Cape Town's convention centre for a taste of some of South Africa's finest wines. The wine traders were here for a week-long tour of the Cape winelands, and their visit comes amid China's first investment in South Africa's wine industry. It's a way of getting the traders to better understand what they are selling in China.
Actually, this 700 distributor is our top performer from China. They are selling very well for the Le Huguenot brand, our red wine. They achieve the target, then we give an incentive for them to get them here, actually to learn the red wine industry, to learn how to taste the red wine and learn the background about Le Huguenot. Hopefully, after the incentive trip, when they're going back to China, they'll become the ambassador for the South African red wine, especially the Le Huguenot red wine.
Sales of red wine in China are booming. South Africa hopes to capitalize on that trend, which has seen exports more than double in recent years. Perfect Wines of South Africa, the joint venture between local winery Leopard's Leap and its partner Perfect China, hope these visitors will take back a positive message about South African wines.
Our competition is France and Australia, and we have to promote South Africa with the Chinese consumer. And the only way to do it is to bring Chinese people to South Africa, give them the experience of South Africa, the South African culture, the South African wine quality, and then really make them ambassadors for South Africa and South African wine.
And it is these South African wines being consumed that are already finding favor with their newfound markets. The wine traders that have gathered here laid lavish praises on South African wines, claiming they already noted an increase in demand by Chinese consumers. While the tone of the event was fun, there is a broader significance for increased cooperation between local winemakers and Chinese traders.
I'm sure this training here of the Chinese traders come to South Africa will not only benefit the business sector, but eventually it will benefit the relations between our two countries.
For now, plans are already underway to surpass this year's incentivized trip by inviting 2,000 of China's top-performing traders to these shores. Travers Andrews, CCTV, Cape Town.